Every company needs a dreamer to work out where you want to go and why you should go there. I now can be the dreamer here. I get up early and I just have to get to work. I can talk with Johnny, he can be out on the wiring line, we can have something finished and sorted out in an hour or two, and we've got a solution for one of our clients. Can you just take the top out so I can see what you've done there? I like it a lot. The dream just started coming to me of what we can do with the 3D printing. We can change the look and how the light spreads. It's about shape, form and texture. We've got point of difference. We've got things that you cannot possibly manufacture without the 3D printing. It is our vehicle to go ahead. And that's a roadmap for us. And if you don't have a roadmap, you're never going to get there. So we're putting our money up front to get this stuff moving and working because we do believe in it. And that goes back to the passion. Light. It guides people through a place. It tells stories. It's a lot more than hitting a switch on the wall. It's beautiful. We've developed the on-track, and that gives us accent and architectural look, so we can then spotlight different features in the room. We will still have our linear product and all the fabulous other things that we do. The linear, so we can make shapes on the ceiling. We also have squares in our range, and this is the little ledge that we can dim and control. And the other side is our up-down, neat, tidy, and they just work. But with the 3D printing, we don't need tools. We just print the next thing. Someone likes it, we'll print a lot for them. It's just the right purpose for us here. Innovative, progressive. We can move fast and we're agile. We're a small company but act like a large company. We don't step back from technology. We embrace it, we attack it, we invest in it. We've just purchased the factory next door because we were bursting at the seams. Yeah, we're ready to fly. What are you working on at the moment? That looks like the Elegance. South Australia's copping a lot from us.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, that's fabulous. Good, clear thinking, I reckon. We like to get the job done efficiently, tidily, but it's just working together. When you're on song and you're flying, you know, and everyone's just hitting it and it just takes off. It's just fabulous stuff. We've been around and growing and doubling our size for well over 20 years, but we've only just started, and that's exciting. I do use that word a lot. Exciting, beautiful stuff. Oh, exciting. Oh, I bound out of bed every morning. Exceptionally exciting. Exceptionally exciting. It just excites me too much.